Welcome to Big Data Now. Today, we're diving into an important comparison: Databricks Unity Catalog versus Apache Hive. As businesses scale, managing and governing large volumes of data becomes a challenge. Both Unity Catalog and Apache Hive provide metadata management and access control for data lakes and warehouses, but they serve different purposes. If you're wondering, how do these two systems compare? Which one is better for modern data platforms? How do they handle governance, security, and performance? Then this video is for you. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of their differences and which one is best for your data architecture. Let's get started. Part 1. What is Databricks Unity Catalog? Databricks Unity Catalog is a unified governance solution designed for modern data lakes and lakehouses. It provides centralized metadata management across multiple cloud platforms, fine-grained access control with role-based policies, built-in security and compliance with audit logging, multi-cloud compatibility, supporting AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. With Unity Catalog, organizations can define access policies centrally, ensuring consistent governance across their data lakes, Delta tables, and AI models. One key feature is column and row-level security, allowing teams to restrict access based on user roles, a must-have for regulated industries like finance and healthcare. Unity Catalog also integrates seamlessly with Delta Lake and Databricks SQL, optimizing performance, security, and governance in a single platform. Part 2. What is Apache Hive? Apache Hive is a SQL-based data warehouse built on top of Hadoop. It was originally designed to enable SQL querying on massive datasets stored in HDFS, Hadoop Distributed File System, act as a metadata store for data lakes, managing schema definitions and table structures, support batch processing of structured and semi-structured data. Hive is widely used for on-premise big data platforms, integrating with tools like Apache Spark, Presto, and Impala. However, since Hive Metastore HMS is file-based, it lacks advanced governance features like row-level security, data lineage tracking, and fine-grained access control, which are critical for modern cloud-based architectures. Part 3. Key differences between Unity Catalog and Hive Metastore. Now, let's compare Unity Catalog versus Hive across 5 key dimensions. 1. Governance and security. Unity Catalog provides fine-grained access control, including row-level and column-level security. It also supports centralized role-based permissions across multi-cloud environments. Hive Metastore offers basic metadata management and table-level access control, but does not support fine-grained security policies natively. 2. Performance and optimization. Unity Catalog is optimized for modern cloud-based architectures, integrating with Delta Lake for fast queries and low-latency analytics. Apache Hive relies on batch processing, which can introduce slower query performance compared to modern lakehouse architectures. 3. Multi-cloud and interoperability. Unity Catalog supports AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud, enabling a single governance model across multiple cloud platforms. Hive is primarily tied to Hadoop ecosystems, making it less adaptable for cloud-native architectures. 4. Ease of management. Unity Catalog provides automated schema enforcement, data lineage tracking, and compliance-ready audit logging. Hive requires manual configuration and lacks centralized auditing, making governance more complex in multi-cloud or hybrid setups. 5. Real-time and streaming support. Unity Catalog integrates with Delta Live tables and structured streaming, supporting real-time analytics and AI workloads. Hive is primarily batch-oriented, which means it's less efficient for real-time streaming workloads. Part 4. Which one should you use? The choice between Unity Catalog and Apache Hive depends on your organization's data strategy. Use Databricks Unity Catalog if you need centralized governance across multi-cloud environments, you require fine-grained security policies and automated compliance features, you are using Databricks, Delta Lake, and modern cloud-based data lakes. Use Apache Hive if your data platform is Hadoop-based and requires batch data processing. You have an on-premise infrastructure and need legacy metadata management. You are working with traditional data lakes that do not require advanced security or cloud compatibility. For most modern cloud-first organizations, Unity Catalog is the superior choice due to its governance, security, and performance optimizations. However, Hive still plays a role in legacy Hadoop ecosystems. We've explored the differences between Databricks Unity Catalog and Apache Hive, covering how Unity Catalog enables multi-cloud data governance, how Hive Metastore supports traditional Hadoop-based platforms, Which system is best suited for your data architecture? If your organization is transitioning to cloud-based analytics and AI, Unity Catalog is the clear winner for governance, security, and performance. Which one are you using? Unity Catalog or Hive? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Big Data Now for more insights on big data, AI, and Databricks best practices. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.